So this my Binance account. I have logged in. If you don't have a Binance account, you can just comment in the comment section so that I will make a tutorial on how to create a Binance account and verify. Very simple. So right now I'm in my Binance account. So hover on buy crypto, and when you hover on buy crypto, you see we have bank deposit, we have credit card, we have cash balance, and we have P2P trading. That's what we are going to use for this. So we just click on P2P trading. So when you click on P2P trading, it will take you to the P2P dashboard. That is where you can buy either Bitcoin, USDT, you can buy Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. But our focus here is USDT. That's what we are focusing on, not Bitcoin. So when the P2P dashboard opens, you see that we have a lot of cryptocurrencies right here, but our focus here is USDT, and we are not selling, we want to buy. This interface is the desktop interface, but then it's very similar to the mobile app, so you'll see the same thing on the mobile app as well. If you still want me to do it on the mobile app too, I'll just create another tutorial for that one. So I want to be quick with this. With a fiat, it represents currencies on Binance. So I have Ghana cedi selected here. That's what you want. So you select and then you leave it on all payments. You leave it on all regions. It don't filter. Then you scroll through. What you see here are those selling, those who are having USDT and they want to sell right now. Maybe they have a lot and then they are willing to sell it right now. Ours is not to buy and sell right now. We want to buy and hold, so that when the rate increases, this is the rate I'm talking about. So right now they are selling it at a rate of 14.6 Ghana cedis. They are matching it to the dollar rate as 14 cedis. Okay, so small time the dollar rate will increase again. We will be hitting around 20 cedis. So imagine if you buy it now at 14 cedis and it increases to 20 cedis and you want to sell it. So the more you buy, it means the more profit you will be making by then. So you just go through the buyers. These are some of the things you have to watch when buying from these buyers. You have to check the completion percentage. You see this guy has 99.80%. It means he's very legit. He delivers when you buy from him. This guy has 99. This guy has 100%. So you just go through, and depending on the amount you want to buy, if your amount you want to buy falls within this range, he is selling his starting from 500 cedis to 1000 cedis. So if what you're going to buy right now is less than 500 cedis, you just have to scroll down. It means you can't buy from that guy, so you just have to scroll down and go through to search for the person you can buy from. This guy is also selling from, and again, one thing we have to take note of is the payment option. Most of them receive MTN mobile money, and others also receive Voda cash. So looking through, I just want to do this so that you see every bit of it. So I will buy some for this tutorial sake. So $200. No, I want to buy 100 cedis for this. So I still don't fall in this category. Yes. So when you scroll down to this guy, he has a completion rate of 99.5. That's cool. He's selling his limits is from 80 cedis to 200 cedis. So I think I can, and he's using mobile money. So I think I can buy from this guy. So what I will do right now is to click on buy USDT, and then I'll get what I'm supposed to do here is to reach payment time limit is 15 minutes. This is what he's having right now, and his payment method is MTN mobile money. So this is what is requesting, that you drop your number and allow cash out. Please, if you are not ready for cash out, don't place order. All right, so I'm ready to buy from this guy, so I'll just type in. You see, the rate is 80 to 200. I just want to buy 100 cedis, so I'll type in 100 cedis, and if I buy 100 cedis, I will get 6.8 USDT according to the rate right now. But I know small time, if I want to sell this, I'll get more than 100 cedis. So if you have more money, you can just add more to it, and then you buy and hold. It's very, very, very important. It's almost like creating a dollar account or something. Yeah. So saving in a dollar account or something, so that when dollar increases, your money also increases. Just like that. So I'll click on the buy button. So successfully placed an order. So he has gotten the notification that someone wants to buy USDT from him, and he's saying I should allow cash out. So on my mobile phone, I'm going to allow cash out right now. I'm using MTN, so this is the steps he gave. So I'm going to allow cash out right now on my phone. So he said the first thing is to send your name and number. So I'm sending my name. Zero 546 and my number. Now I'm allowing cash out on my phone. So I've allowed cash out. If you are using Vodafone, this is the details for you. So now I'm waiting for him to. Okay, so he said I should allow cash out. So I'm telling him I have allowed cash out. So I'm waiting for him to send me the notification for me to input my PIN to make payment. Okay. So I've notified him that I have allowed cash out. I'm sure he's working on it. Yes, so I've gotten a notification from him to accept to enter my key, my Momo PIN. So I'll do that and approve the transaction. Good. So I'm done. I've gotten the notification that cash out made for 100 CD to Donsty Trading. So I'm through with the transaction. So I'll click transferred, notify seller. It means I've made payments. So I'm waiting for him to release the USDT. Since I'm done with my part, I've made payment. So here we go. We have a notification that the order has been completed. So you read this, you have successfully purchased 6.81 USDT. So I just bought 100 cedis worth USDT for now. So I'm just going to keep it in my account. I'm not going to sell it right now because the dollar rate will keep on increasing since we are here in Ghana. We're just hoping for the best though. But then if I go to my wallet right now, so well, when you go to overview, when you click on overview, you see that initially this is what I was having in my account, and then now I just bought 6.81 USDT. So it's been added to it. Basically that's all for this tutorial. The main objective was to show you how to buy USDT on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe.